I firmly believe that most business owners, they know exactly what to do in their business. They are experts in their field. They know how to ensure that their product or their service is top notch. And the reason that they are in business is because they know how to do this and at some level are definitely passionate about what they do. Because being a business owner is no piece of cake. It takes effort, it takes solid effort. And I know that you are putting in solid effort as well. But do you sometimes feel that no matter how much effort you put in, there isn't really as much result as you feel there should be? Do you ever feel that you're putting in a lot of effort and all that effort is not translating to results? Don't worry, you're not the only one. There are a lot of business owners out there. It's a pretty common problem that business owners face. And the reason they face this problem is not because of any capability issue. It's not because they don't know what they are doing. They of course do. They know exactly what they're doing. I'll tell you where the problem is. There are probably some beliefs that are stopping them from putting the right kind of effort. Maybe there are some values that are not letting them focus on the exact right thing that is required to get the kind of result that they want. And you know what the saddest part of all of this is? There is so much effort going into business in the wrong places. And most business owners don't even know what these blocks are, where the effort should be going, and what they can do with the same kind of effort to achieve a very, very different kind of result. Exponential growth. Because you know what? Exponential growth is possible. It's very possible. And the fact that there are companies out there, you think about it in your own industry. Aren't there companies that have grown like crazy? Aren't there companies that have just started and taken off like that? Aren't there companies that are doing great business even when the market conditions are bad? Isn't there one company that you can think of or one person that you can think of in your industry that is doing an amazing job? And I have a very simple question to you. If that person or that company can achieve greatness, if they are able to do it, why can't you? Of course you can. The only thing that could be stopping you is your own mindset. I know that what I'm saying could be a little controversial. There might be a lot of business owners out there thinking, how can you say that my growth is being stuck because of me? I'm the one who's the most passionate about this business. It's my baby. How can I not let it grow? Well, sometimes you have to get out of your own way. And it's not that you're doing it consciously. It could be a limiting belief that you don't even know exists. It could be a set of values that are not aligned with the goal and the ambition and the vision and the mission that you have. And it's not your fault. Because these beliefs and these values have been ingrained in you before you even had the capability to understand what was going on. Most beliefs and most values were ingrained in people between the ages of 0 to 7. And another major contributing factor for holding you back from success is the emotional state of mind. There are so many emotions, negative, draining emotions, that are filled inside a person's body, and this happens with everyone, that are holding you back from growth. How they are manifesting in your life is something that you probably can't see because we cannot look and understand things that are happening around us because we're in the situation. It's very difficult for someone who is affected with a certain problem to realize that the problem exists. So, how do you get out of all of this? How can you match that competitor that is growing at a tremendous pace? How can you match that one person that is doing great despite the market conditions, despite whatever problems are coming? What is it that is different in that person and in you? And let me tell you a secret. Sometimes their product or their service may not even be as good as yours. And this happens. This is unfortunately a fact of the business world. They just have a better mindset. They're just doing something right. They probably just have a better strategy. Maybe they are doing something that you are even unable to see. Maybe they are seeing opportunities and grabbing them. And these opportunities, even though they are right in front of you, are invisible to you because your limiting beliefs and your misaligned values are creating a filter that is stopping you from even looking at those opportunities. And all of this can be changed. Let me give you a quick introduction to us, Streams. We are a transformation coaching company. We work on those areas that are neglected by most consulting, coaching, and training companies. We do not come in and tell you how to do your business. We do not come in and train your people on skills or technicalities or soft skills or any of these things. All of these are important, but they do not give you that ultimate result, that ultimate push. They do not bring about a mindset change in your people or in you for that matter. We do not give you motivational talks. We will not come give a talk and then vanish. Because motivational speeches, motivational talks will get people fired up, riled up, but only for a few days. Sometimes only for a few hours. So what do we do? How do we actually fill that gap? Let me tell you. We use the power of neuro-linguistic programming, latest 21st century research on neuroscience, human behavior, and we are experts in bringing about a behavioral change in people. Every business runs because of its people. If your people are good, if you have the right people on the bus, your business will soar. But just training your people or just sending them for an engagement or a team building program is not going to be enough. It's here that the change needs to come. They need to be aligned to your values, your company values. Your own values need to be aligned to the company values. Everything from the vision, mission, ambition, goals of the company needs to be aligned in order. Plus, every single person in your senior management team needs their beliefs, values, emotions in check and aligned to the company's vision, mission, ambition, goals, values. And how do we do this? How do we bring about that alignment? We bring about deep level change in a person. Neuro-linguistic programming is one of our greatest tools. Neuro stands for neurology, your brain and your nervous system. Linguistic stands for language, verbal, non-verbal communication, and programming stands for the computer analogy of programming. So we use language to program your neurology. So the change that we bring about using neuro-linguistic programming is long-lasting, immediate. It happens overnight. And it goes deep, deep, deep inside. And that is why the change is so visible and so strong. And it is one area that is neglected by almost every other company out there. We are experts in leadership and in sales. We use neurolinguistic programming to bring about amazing strides in the leaders of your company, in you as a leader, and we teach certain neurolinguistic programming techniques and concepts so that your sales team or anyone in the company that needs to close large deals, influence people, is able to get a yes from the opposite person. Influence by itself is one of the greatest strengths that a leader can have, that a salesperson can have. And we actually teach these ninja techniques that is not taught in any other sales training program or leadership program. And along with all of this, we bring about a cohesive program that will transform not just the people, it will transform the culture, the process, bring about accountability within the organization, increase the productivity of the organization, and in all, increase the revenue of the company to a very, very, very massive extent. And all of this is customized to your requirements. So, what are you waiting for? Reach out to us. Let us know how we can partner with you in this journey. So getting started is very easy. All you need to do is reach out to us. You can send me an email here, sirisha@citrines.in, and tell us that you would like to have a meeting, or you can scan this QR code, fill up a form, and one of us will get in touch with you. Looking forward to hearing from you soon. I will see you.